Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a magical drink with you that will help you lose 1 pound per day and about 7 pounds a week. Surprised? Don't be, because the magical ingredient used in this drink is responsible for it. So let's start. Take 1 glass of water and add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to it. Chia seeds have the tendency to swell up in water and are used after that. Chia seeds are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. They're loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. Chia seeds are a superfood as they have numerous health benefits, such as weight loss, lowering LDL cholesterol, and protecting the heart. It is a highly beneficial and safe drink to use, even for people with thyroid problems or diabetes. Chia seeds have high content of proteins, and its soluble fiber absorbs large amounts of water and expands in your stomach, which should increase fullness and slow the absorption of food. Fiber-rich foods can keep your body from absorbing a few calories from the foods you eat. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes and make sure that the seeds have swollen and transformed into a jelly-like form. This means that it's now ready to consume. And add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Remember to use cinnamon once a day, only in the morning. Cinnamon helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Mix it all up nicely, because honey takes some time to mix properly. Cinnamon helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, boosts insulin function and metabolism as well, while essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aid weight loss. And on the other hand, it adds a great taste too. Now it's ready to use. It is important to note that diabetes patients should not add honey to this drink. You need to consume it about 3 to 4 times a day, drink it every day, first thing in the morning, or at least 30 minutes before your breakfast. Then drink it 30 to 60 minutes before your lunch, and same for dinner. Also make sure to drink it at least 2 hours before going to bed. Remember always to have your dinner at least 3 hours before going to bed, and most of all, avoid sugary and fried foods in order to gain maximum benefits from this drink. Keep using this drink until you achieve your weight loss target. I hope you liked my video. Share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!